Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to talk about how to make a text message not show up on the lock screen on your iPhone and how we can do this. So let's get started. So first of all, what you need to do is we have to go over here to the settings. Now from here, what you need to do is we have to scroll it down all the way down and navigate to the notification. Now from here, we have to scroll it down all the way down here and navigate to the message. Now we have to tap on this. Now from here, if you scroll it down, we can see there is an option called show preview, so you have to click on this. By default, in most cases, this might be set into when unlock a default option, in which what it means is when someone texts you a message, when it is locked, you'll be getting a notification like this particular person has sent you a message, but it will not be displaying what is the content over there. It will be only visible when you unlock your phone. You have to give a face out, so you have to unlock it. Then you can read the message from there. It will be visible to you, so you can read it. For some users, this might be set into always. For some reasons, if that is the case, even though whatever the message that's been sent by a particular person, if they send you a message, the name of the particular person will be shown on your notification, and also what is the content will also be shown there. So if you're chatting with someone, for example, if you have a secret girlfriend, what you need to do is you have to go to from the always, change this to when unlock it over here. Then when you unlock it, you can just read the message over there. This is it. You can always keep it over here like this. Now, for some reasons, if you want to completely turn off the notifications, you should not be getting any kind of notifications from any kind of thing. If that is the case, you just need to go back and go over here at the top, and you can see there is an option called allow notifications. You have to turn it off. Now, any kind of message that's you're receiving will not be shown in the notifications. It's been completely turned off. And this is what you have to do, and I hope this quick video is helpful. That's it. Bye.